So guys, it's Cassie here. Well, this is the kitchen progress. We're getting it in. We're getting it done, guys. But look, my stove was here. My wall stove, so they ripped it out. But guys, do you want to see what's down there? Do you want to see what's down there? This is the most scariest shit I ever seen in my life. Look at this. Look at this. It goes down and down and down. Do you see this? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like a secret little tunnel. Do you see it? This is where my stove was at, guys. Do you see this? It's like a secret passageway going down and down and down and down. Do you see it? There's no ending. This came out of my kitchen. My wall stove was here. I cannot believe how deep it goes. And down, and down, and down. Had to show this, guys. Bye. Look at this. Never ending. Look at this. Don't fall, Sandra.